Cookie!
Hello, this is Let's Play Games Not Italian. I'm making a response because my GTX 570 is making some weird coil sounds, coil whine, whatever. Yeah, and it's a EVGA GTX 570. My motherboard is a BioStar 880 GU3 with a Corsair CX 750 watt power supply, and I'm trying to figure out which is this. So what it is right now is I'm upgrading the motherboard and everything right now, and if that doesn't solve it at all, I'm gonna be going to your friend's house to test out my CPU, not my CPU, my graphics card on another rig, to see if that's that problem or not. But if it isn't, then it's my GPU. But if it is making no coil noise at my friend's place, so it would probably be my power supply or my motherboard. But since I'm upgrading my motherboard anyway, that won't be a problem anyway. So I'll be, and here I'm gonna give you the video here. It's a coil whine. Hello, this is my GTX 570 making noise after replacement from another GTX 570 HD. I had a rattling fan. This one has a rattling fan and coil noise or bad capacitors. Alright, sounds good. You can hear it from here. And it's not the fan. The PCB. And thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you didn't, or share or like this video, or dislike it, I don't care, do whatever.